And here I would like to draw your attention to the man in the middle, who's an unlikely face of the Holodomor perpetrator. And I meant this one. I'm not sure whether you recognize him, but here it is. It's Leonid Brezhnev. But during the famine in 1932, well, he looks more glamour than he did in 1932. He was the head of the trade union at the Kamenskaya Metallurgy Institute, and he was expected to take part in grain procurement, which he did. And he did, it's today's Dnipropetrovsk Oblast. He had already experience of collectivizing villages in Russia proper. So when he returned to Ukraine, he had experience of mass violence, dispossession, deportation. And so he was really successful. So in a couple of years, he actually became the dean, well, I would say, call that position a dean of the institute, being really young. So he definitely demonstrated some results and loyalty during the grain procurement.